Welcome to Runway Academy. Today, we'll be generating images with frames. To use frames, open up a generative session and make sure that the Image tab is selected. Choose your aspect ratio, then start prompting. To get the most out of frames, it's helpful to structure your prompt using this general format: art style, subject, scene, lighting, and color. For example, a cinematic photo of a peacock in the water. The lighting is even, creating subtle shadows with a muted natural color palette. Within each section of that prompt, you can keep descriptions general or choose to get much more specific, and frames will handle the rest. Let's get more granular about our previous prompt. This prompt, while still being mostly similar to the simplified version, contains a lot more details about my main character and scene, giving me a lot of creative control while generating images. Don't worry, it's not necessary to include all of these categories in every prompt every time. Frames does really well with simplified prompts too. You can also opt to experiment with the aesthetic range setting. This allows you to dial up and down the overall creative variation that you'll see across a set of 4 generations. Lower values will lead to more consistent styles across your set, with subtle changes to things like camera angle, lighting, and color grading, while higher values will result in dramatically different art direction, composition, and aesthetics for your scene, while still representing your subject. Aesthetic range is a great way to explore new ideas and inspiration when generating. Once you've generated some images, feel free to hover over one that you like and download it, favorite it, or click the Vary button to get 4 more images that are similar. You can also click the Use button to swap the generative session UI into video creation mode, using your Frames output as an image to video input. Frames was built to encourage experimentation, helping you to realize ideas that weren't possible before. If you're looking for more inspiration, make sure to check out runwayml.com/worldsofframes. As always, don't forget to check out the Frames help article for additional tips and tricks, head to our Discord to see how our community members are using Frames, or if you need to ask us a question directly, you can use this button on your dashboard at any time.